In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks to PDF. If you work with longer PDF documents, bookmarks can make navigation much easier. They help you jump quickly to important sections without having to scroll through page after page. In Adobe Acrobat, adding a bookmark is a simple process, and once you know where the tools are, it only takes a few moments. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open. It's important to start with the correct file, especially if you're organizing a long document and want your bookmarks to match the right sections. Before adding anything, it can also help to scroll to the page or section you want the bookmark to point to, since bookmarks are usually created based on your current view in the document. Once your PDF is open, look over to the right-hand column in Adobe Acrobat. In that side panel, click on the bookmark icon. This opens the bookmarks panel, which is where you can view, manage, and add bookmarks for your document. If you don't already have bookmarks in the file, this panel may look fairly empty at first, and that's completely normal. After the bookmarks panel opens, look for the icon that shows a bookmark with a plus sign on it. Click that icon to add a new bookmark. This creates a bookmark based on the location you're currently viewing in the PDF. If you want your bookmark to lead to a specific heading, chapter, or section, make sure you're positioned on the correct page before you click. Once the bookmark is added, you may be able to rename it so the title is clear and easy to recognize. This is especially useful if you plan to add several bookmarks throughout the same document. Use short, descriptive names that match the section content so anyone opening the PDF can quickly understand where each bookmark leads. A helpful tip is to add bookmarks in a logical order as you move through the document. That keeps the PDF organized and makes it easier to use later. Bookmarks are especially useful for reports, guides, manuals, and any file that people may need to reference multiple times. And that's all it takes to add bookmarks to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Open your PDF, go to the bookmarks panel on the right, and use the Add Bookmark icon to create a new one. Once you get used to it, this becomes a quick and effective way to make your PDFs easier to navigate.